Need to unblock someone on TikTok? Whether you blocked them by mistake or you've changed your mind, TikTok makes it easy to remove someone from your blocked list. Just follow these simple steps. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and signing in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account. From your profile page, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper right corner. This will open a list of account options. Select Settings and Privacy to continue. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find Blocked Accounts and tap it. Here, TikTok shows every account you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock. If you have a long list, scroll until you locate their username. When you see the correct account, tap the Unblock button beside their name. The change takes effect immediately and the account is removed from your blocked list. After unblocking someone, they'll be able to find your public profile and interact with your content based on your privacy settings. However, unblocking doesn't automatically make you follow each other again. If you'd like to reconnect, you'll need to send a follow request or follow them again if their account is public. You're finished. Your account settings have been updated and the user is no longer blocked. Thanks for watching and have a great day.